guys, Jason from Iconic MetalGear showing you this very cool headache rack we just made. This one's for full tilt, and he wanted the custom light bar to the top there, and he wanted it all blacked out. I think this looks really, really good. It's got the 70-gallon hydraulic tank in the center, chain hangers on each side, lockable on each side. Got them for both, fully welded on. Chain trays, pretty standard. This is a flat rack we make, and we can do these custom light bars with your name of your truck or your company name or whatever you want cut out of the top. And then we've got LED waterproof light in the back. So we've got that all wired up for him, and he just got to hook that up. You can get that with standard LEDs in the corners as well. You know, your 3 stop, tail, turn, and then your 3 in the center and 3 on the side for more classic traditional look. But this is kind of a nice little feature that we offer. You can actually get that on our website. We have a rack builder that you can use and get your name cut out of the top with a couple different font options and whatnot. So this is a powder coated anti-skid black, a military black, kind of a Line X Rhino liner. The rack comes with the tank, like I said, and this has the mounting kit, the tray, everything you need to install it. It's got the sight temp gauge here on the driver's side, and it's got a vent and a 2-inch fill vent on top. And we put 4 ports on the bottom just so you've got options in case there's a cross member in the way or something like that. And they're 2-inch fittings on the bottom, so you can, you know, use reducers or whatever you got to do to make it work with your application. For more products like this cool headache rack or build yours, check us out at iconicmetalgear.com.